Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is deleting this coolant line. It's not necessary to have on there, so we're going to go ahead and remove it, and then this will kind of clean up the engine bay a bit also. So this part here, it's you just gotta push these tabs in on the top and bottom, pop out. Like sometimes you see those little air filters here, so that's what I'm going to put there, just so nothing gets in it. All you're going to need is really this, and then I got this zip tie to tie that part somewheres. All right, so once you get that removed, then you can go ahead and remove this one. Anyways, I'm going to use two hands here. I went ahead and slid this up, so this will just pop right off now, like so. Slide it down, perfect. I'm gonna need two hands, so just go ahead and remove this. Next, you go ahead and slide that clip off. From there, go ahead and remove that with two hands. Twisted the rubber loose and should come out now. Gonna be a little coolant that comes out, so I'm just gonna, you guys probably can't even see what I'm doing. So the hose is right here. I just lifted it up before I route it down to the other one. There we go. You got a whole, I don't know, quarter of a pound out. Perfect. There we go. So that hose is removed. I'm going to use the longer one because this one's too small to kind of like, ugh. Okay, so yeah, this one's too small to like loop it around. It's going to crank, I don't know. There is not much room to work at all. There, I just put this on each side and pushed it off. I went ahead, passed the coolant through here, passed it through here, and now connecting it to there. So it's literally just connected down there and then up in here. So it's all done. Pretty simple. Now that, you know, that looks so much better than having that friggin' ugly thing there. Now all I have to do is find a spot for this. You see, but I just zip tied it there like that, and then so it shouldn't move now. And yeah, I don't even know what that's for. Let me know down below. I think it may be something to do with the transmission, but that's it. Coolant line deleted. Now I still gotta complete this intake. I'm undecided if I'm gonna complete this intake into one piece from here, just one solid piece. I know it would look 10 times better. That is for sure. Just kind of annoyed that I went and bought two couplers for nothing. I also gotta make sure there's no air leaks. Like I feel like the way I have this set up, there's a leak. So I'm gonna go ahead and maybe spray some brake cleaners. Next is the weight reduction. We're gonna go ahead and remove everything. The octane booster still smells pretty bad in here. So I was told to spray brake cleaner around the intake stuff. See if you hear any. It'll probably try to like stall out. I don't know. I don't know. Doesn't seem like there's any leaks. But I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I do hear hissing from somewhere. pretty much just need a smoke machine, I think, to really know for sure. All right, well, it is what it is. That's it for the video. So I just want to go ahead and make sure you guys catch everything. So there is now nothing connected to the throttle body, and then the hose that was connected to this bottom piece, removed it from the bottom of the throttle body and then routed it to this part here. That's it. Everything else from the coolant you just remove, and then go ahead and put a little air filter on here. Hose that was connected to the bottom of the throttle body is now just routed up into there. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.